Hi everyone, and welcome to my video about fire extinguishers. In this video, I am going to talk about what fire extinguishers are, how they work, and how to use them. What is a fire extinguisher? A fire extinguisher is a portable device that is used to extinguish fires. They are typically filled with a type of extinguishing agent such as water, foam, or powder. Fire extinguishers can be used to put out small fires such as those that start in a trash can or a stovetop. How do fire extinguishers work? Fire extinguishers work by releasing the extinguishing agent onto the fire. The extinguishing agent then smothers the fire, preventing it from getting oxygen. This interrupts the combustion process and extinguishes the fire. How to use a fire extinguisher? If you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to use a fire extinguisher, it's important to know how to use it properly. Here are the steps on how to use a fire extinguisher. Number 1. Pull the pin. This will release the extinguishing agent. Number 2. Aim at the base of the fire. This is the most effective way to extinguish the fire. Number 3. Squeeze the handle. This will release the extinguishing agent. Number 4. Sweep from side to side. This will ensure that the entire fire is extinguished. Conclusion. Fire extinguishers are an important safety tool that can help to extinguish small fires. By knowing how to use a fire extinguisher, you can help to keep yourself and others safe in the event of a fire.